Hey, Thomas.
Yeah.
Hey, you did it. You tandemed inside of Alex's car.
Dude, I shut my visor. It was a huge mistake. It fogged up. I couldn't see shit.
Oh, dang. Just like in the door.
Yeah. I'm not sure that I've actually gotten that close to you before. But it was very sloppy. Don't get it wrong.
Yeah,
It was not your fault. It was not your fault. It was my fault, dude. Frank was telling me to shut it down because the clutch was chattering so hard. I'm like, that kick. Hell yeah, that was a good way to end it though.
Yeah,
I think that was awesome. You know, you said 2 passes and that was it.
Yeah, that's all I got.
What did I get? Maybe. Not really. It wore actually a little bit less. A little bit. Didn't wear as quickly. But yeah, there's definitely something wrong in my driveline. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Thomas Miata YouTube channel. And I'm here today at the very beginning of my journey where we're going to head over to Seneca or Pantera, whatever you want to call it. We're going to check out that track. It's my first time going to this track. I have no idea what it's like besides, you know, videos or whatever. Like, I don't even know how to get into the track. So in the beginning of all this, they sent out an email and they were saying, you know, check your GPS before you head out because it's hard to get to the track. There's no signal up there. So once you're up there, if you get lost, you're not going to be able to get help to get there. So I'll try to put it at the beginning of this one just to kind of show you, you know, what they're talking about, if there's anything crazy, or if you just kind of drive onto the track. We'll see. But yeah, it's 4:30 in the morning. We're waiting for Frank and Heather. Stuart's going to be there. He's going to be filming me. He's going to be filming other people. Watch out for his video on his YouTube channel. Check him out. And we're going to meet some other guys too. What? Frank wants breakfast.
Frank wants breakfast.
We were just stopped in a little town here, don't know the name, but getting some fuel, enjoying the views on the drive. Alrighty, I discovered an issue. It's leaking. My little weld job has failed me. Okay, we're 5 minutes out. So far, so good. You know, hasn't been very hard to find the place. And actually, JACMotorsports is actually up ahead of us, and so we might be able to just follow them in. They've been here before. Okay, so you make a left right off that highway onto like a dirt road. So that, and JACMotorsports is right over the top of the crest of that hill. So we're just behind them. Start your GPS right at the beginning and never turn it off because it won't recalculate very easily.
Still Pantera.
Yeah, Pantera. Pantera, buddy, training. There's a couple buildings. Oh, nice, they got us all pit coned out and everything. The leaking wheel made it, all right. We made it. What's happening, Lewis? What's going on? Getting it, buddy. What's up, guys?
What's up, Thomas?
Oh. Just Jimmy. What's up, Jimmy? Where's everybody else? Oh, there we go. We're here. Made it. First time out at this track, so yeah, we'll see what it's all about. I guess we got a little bit of time to chill and get set up and all that since meetings are at 10 and it's only 9:11 right now. We made it. My trailer wheel was leaking.
Nice.
Yeah, had to drive the old hoopty because I accidentally welded the hitch into the receiver.
Nice.
Accidentally.
What's up?
What's up, Stevie?
Thomas. It's cold.
Cold? It's not too bad. Shoot, last event I was at was much worse than this.
I'm wearing 2 pairs of pants, 3 shirts, 2 socks.
There it is. Layers. That way you can take them off if you need to. Oh, nice.
New tire rack.
That's a good idea.
Super easy and super cheap, man.
Yeah, I like that. That's a good idea. A couple of 2x4s. I'll have to do that in mine. So where is the entrance to the track?
Right there.
That way? There?
You drive through the little town, goes over to there.
Okay, so the track's actually that way?
Yeah, that's the last turn right there.
Oh, nice. Okay. Get the exact same shot as last event, except we got a different car. Okay, I'm all signed up. Signed the waiver, got the wristband. Frank and Heather are signing their paperwork right now. Once they're done signing their paperwork, then we'll probably chill for a few minutes. And at 10 o'clock, they have the driver's meetings. And we're gonna take the car up and actually drive it on the track right after the driver's meeting. Yeah, we're chilling, you know what's up. Got the COVID mask, staying safe. Oh, shit. I'm gonna try that again.
What up?
What it is. There's my whip, piece of shite. I want to be able to make this whole thing. Ah! Come on. Get him. I'm coming right to the middle of that. Don't move. What's up, guys? Oh, shit. I almost made the whole thing. My legs are getting sore after that.
Dude, all my batteries are dying.
Why? Everything's too cold?
It's too cold.
Shit. No batteries for the Heelys, dog. Leg power.
Yeah, like
That's why I'm puffing and puffing.
the Nikon is dead, and this just died.
Shit.
So I have one more battery, but I think I'll just save it for later.
I have
What's up?
I don't know, I have like a little charger in my truck, but that's about it.
I didn't bring my charger.
Shit.
It'll warm up a little bit, and my batteries will actually work. But right now, everything's dying.
Yeah.
And
But the scenery around you is wonderful, though.
yeah, looks pretty good out here.
It's doing 3D.
Yeah.
Yep, I got the stick. We got the stick set up.
Selfie stick.
Didn't get a lot of video of that, but Stu came over, helped me with that. Big shout out to buddy Stu over here. Go follow his stuff. It's
Yeah,
cool.
buddy.
But thanks for everyone making it out. All right. Okay, so the first thing is, like with all tracks, everyone needs to respect the track. This is a lot different from many of the tracks that many of you have driven in the past. We don't have very much runoff room. Okay? So if your car goes off the track and we cannot retrieve it, it's going to stay to the end of the day. And that's your responsibility to pull your car out of the woods. I mean, of course, if you spin off and, shit happens. But we don't tolerate that. Everyone should be in complete control of their car. Everyone's been, looked at before even getting approved to drive here. And so, therefore, we do not want to see any photos or video of anyone's car on Facebook in the woods. We're going to be staging here. You can see there's a place to exit track, a place to enter track. We're in the mountains here. There's no fences. So everyone needs to watch out for wildlife. Okay, it's kind of common to like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you're drifting and like a deer runs out in front of you. Okay? So just be aware of that. Be aware of bunnies. Turtles have been on the track and been saved. But the small rodents, don't really worry about them, right? I mean, it's for your safety, Don't go out of your way if you're going to wreck. Follow me. We're going to drive all the cars on the track, and we're going to get out at different spots. I'm going to tell you where the points on the track are of special interest and to give attention. And so we'll just line the cars up. What, do we do them 2 or 3 across? Do 2. We'll do it in like a row of 2 or 3, okay? So just everyone hop in your car and let's do the track. Here's the education portion of the track.
Okay.
If you have COVID, stay away, keep a 6-foot distance from everyone.
Yep.
And read through that.
Absolutely.
A lot of good material from the CDC there.
Yeah, that track is long and crazy, and this car is super gripped up. I got to take some of the grip out of this because I think my clutch is slipping, first off. And yeah, I don't know, I can just tighten up this rebound and put pressure in it. Pretty much all I can do at the moment, I think. Yeah, it's a wild track, for sure.
I mean,
If you make a mistake, you're gonna die. Period.
You just go right on off. Yeah.
Into the trees.
So we were at 18 before, and we're gonna pump these up to like 60, and if any day we're down, we will. Also, I ratcheted up the dampening to full hard as well to try to just let it stay loose.
Fair enough.
What's up, guys? Thanks for the air. JAC Motorsports crew, what it is.
My pleasure.
Thank you, thank you. Well, bumping the pressure up definitely did the trick. We took them down the metal there. And I'm starting to figure the track out. It's working out pretty good. It's super fast. Crazy entry. I mean, like fourth gear. It's gonna be fourth gear entry. That thing's nuts. And I don't know where Frank and Stuart are.
All the way up there. At the top of the hill.
Frank's gonna want to get a ride, but we might just head back down to the pits and start swapping tires. I don't know. Remember when I said I thought I was getting wheel hop at the clutch kickers? That feeling was just the clutch starting to slip. That's what that was.
Oh, wow.
That's why we couldn't see it or anything like outside the car. So that makes a lot of sense. But I've actually got clutch discs coming. They will be delivered today, actually. So I should be able to get another season out of this thing for relatively cheap. Waiting for the guys to come back down the hill. They got a lot of steps in today. It's gonna be a lot of running around for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got Frank hanging on, and we actually have to drive through this like training facility to get back to where we're going. And we're back in the pits. All right. We had Frank hanging on for dear life as we drove through the training grounds. What's up? But this thing was being pretty gnarly. We'll see what kind of shots we got from outside the car, I guess. Hopefully some people got some cool stuff. We were banging rev limiter a little bit on that last one. Cold enough to snow right now. I feel pretty good.
It's because you're pumped.
Yeah, I'm pumped, and I've been running around. Not actually, I've been in the car. Those guys been running around, getting the hill climb in.
Yeah, we got exercise. Like on the third turn, next time you guys come around, like I want to be able to touch your car at the clipping point.
It's a turn right before all that stuff as well.
Yeah. Well, you'll see me.
That right hand,
the right hand, like 180, and I'll be like this.
He's gonna get in it.
That's the shot that I want.
All right, we'll try. No, it's okay. It's all good. No, the clutch is pretty well f***ed, so we're not going. Yeah, I might be able to pull off like a couple of turns for like another 2 or 3 passes just to get like some cool maybe drone shots. I want the light though. Yeah, so you know now I'm crouched down. Try not to get the wind. We're gonna try to get some drone shots just to mix it up and hopefully have a cool video. Adam got the inside shot, and you'll see that. They gave one to each of us. That's awesome. There's 2 people in the car. Yeah, so that was the COVID training, how to stay socially distant and still drift. So it was fun. Got hopefully a lot of good shots in there, and had the car hauling ass as much as it would with the clutch, and the track was great. Got to give a shout out to those guys. Hopefully we get to do more.